Alright guys, so now we have this problem and we're going to solve it because we have all the information we need to finally get it done. Okay, so now just a quick recap, 32 students, 8 passing, 4 failing. We want to figure out how many failed. I don't know what was over there, sorry. So we want to figure out how many was failed. So, as I was explaining earlier, ratios are kind of like fractions. Do you notice anything that's in correlation with the 8 and 4? The ratio, Amanda, you look like you're pondering a bit.
2.
2. So you're saying that both these numbers can be divisible by 2? Okay. So we had the ratio. Excuse me, guys. I'm sorry. So we have the ratio of 8 to 4. So we can look at it like this. And she's saying we can divide both by 2. 8 divided by 2, as we all know, is 4 and 2. Okay. Do you think we could go any lower than that, or do you?
2 to 1.
2 again? Divide by 2? Amanda, I am so impressed. So we're going to divide by 2 one more time, which gives us 2. So we actually have a new ratio of 2 to 1. Now that's going to give us a little easier to solve this ratio problem. So we know there's 32 students. We know that essentially 2 passing to 1 failing. We can also write it, like I said before, you can always reverse it to 1 to 2. So it's essentially saying 8 passing, 4 failing, 32 students. So we have 1 failing for every 2 passing. Now we know that's 1/2 because of the 1 to 2, right guys? Okay, so if we know half are failing, what is half of 32, guys?
16.
16. That's a great answer, class. So you know 16 students are failing. Is that what everyone got? Yes, alright, excellent. Okay, let's do one more. This time I'm not going to help you guys as much. I think you guys are going to help me with this one. Alright, let me grab the worksheet for you guys. Alright, so we're at a park, and there's some ducks, there's some geese, they're all birds. So what they tell us is we're going to have 300 birds at this park. And the ratio is going to be 10 to 3, okay? Now we got to figure out which is the 10 and which is the 3. Now, it said the amount of ducks to geese is 10 to 3. So, Amanda, what would you think the 10 is?
10 geese.
10 geese? Okay, well, let me read it one more time.
10 ducks.
10 ducks? That's excellent. That is great. So we know there's 10 ducks. There's 3 geese. Okay. And there's 300 birds. So we know the ratio is, like I said before, I'm going to write it again. Silly goose. Ha! Okay. So we know it's 10 to 3. Can this be reduced at all like we did the last one? It's the first step you want to look at. You don't think it can be reduced at all? Okay. That is correct. You can't reduce it at all because we know that. So now we know it's 10 to 3. So we want to figure out it asks how many birds are the geese, as it's stated on the worksheet. So if we know there's 3 geese for every 10 ducks, how are we going to find 300 birds? Any idea, Amanda?
10 ducks and 3 geese.
Okay. Well, another way we could look at it is you can look at it as 10 ducks and 3 geese. So you can also say you can also double it. If you don't know the exact way to do it, you could just keep doubling or even multiplying, because fractions, they're always equivalent as long as you